friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today we're going to do things a little different. I'm going to show you the different decorations, that some of my favorite decorations that we had throughout the year. We're going to go ahead and get started with Christmas. I love my Christmas decorations. They are so fun. I usually decorate the whole downstairs, and this is just some pictures and a video just to give you an idea of the decorations I do. I go from the hallway, and then I decorate our front room, I decorate our living room and the kitchen, and this is absolutely one of my favorite decorations of the year. Is Christmas time. Next up is New Year's. New Year's is also one of my favorite times. It's a great time to restart and get new goals and new vision for the year. So I love doing a New Year's decoration when you can add a little fun to your parties. I love this frozen party decorations. This was great if you have a room that you need to decorate and just spread it out a little bit. And this is absolutely one of my favorites. We have the happy birthday sign along with the frozen Elsa cutout and a frozen backdrop and some balloons and some banners to have your child have a good time and to make the party fun and exciting with Elsa. Up next is a football party for game day or for the Super Bowl. And these are some fun football decorations that can be added for you to enjoy watching the games. Now we have a Minnie and Mickey Mouse party. If you have a kid that loves Disney and you want to keep it simple but keep it fun, this is a good idea for you to do. And this is actually a door cover that we have as the middle of our backdrop. So this is a great idea to get started if you're having a Disney or Mickey and Minnie birthday party. Up next are decorations for Black History Month. This is good because we have cards with different historical Black history individuals, and it just talks about what they've done to help not only the Black history but also to help the world, so contributed to help us to be able to have Black History Month. And then we just have it all around a black backdrop. Now we have a superhero, a Marvel party decorations, And this is great if you have a fan that loves superhero, that loves Marvel characters, a lot of superhero balloons, and then also some birthday banners and a birthday superhero backdrop. And these are great decorations for that superhero fan. Now, who doesn't love Dr. Seuss? These are Cat in the Hat decorations with Thing 1 and Thing 2 that can be used for Dr. Seuss's birthday to celebrate, or if you have someone that loves Dr. Seuss and want a birthday party with Cat in the Hat Dr. Seuss, these are great party decoration ideas. Now we have boy baby shower decoration ideas. These are simple but yet elegant and very easy to do. And the backdrop of this is streamers. And then we just added a banner, a few more garland ideas, some fans, and then a baby boy balloon. Now we're moving on to Women's International Day that's celebrated every year on March 8th, when women are celebrated throughout the world and acknowledged for all their contributions to the world. Next up, we have Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is celebrated every year on May 5th. It's a day that commemorates the anniversary for the Mexicans over the victory that they had. And lots of colors, and these are some great decoration ideas to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. And now we have an Encanto party. We're celebrating an Encanto party with Encanto decorations and Mirabelle and some of the other characters with these fun Encanto party decorations. Now we have a Coco Melon party with some of the characters from the TV show. Most kids love Coco Melon, and so why not help them celebrate with a fun Coco Melon birthday party with all the pretty colors. If you have a basketball fan that loves basketball, loves Michael Jordan, this is great inspiration to help you get started with some decorations for a basketball party. Now I'm going to show you some welcome home decorations that if you have anyone coming home, whether it's for the military, coming home from school, coming home from being out of town, this is a great way to welcome them back. Now I did have some lights I added to this just to brighten it up and make it fun. Up next, it is time for Easter. These Easter decorations I did throughout the home. I did make the banner that says He is risen. We added some fun balloons with some crosses, some Easter bunnies. And then in the kitchen, we got the table decorated and went ahead and added some Easter cutouts and some Easter banners. And finally, we have my daughter's donut and cupcake party. This is a theme she came up with on her own, and so I did everything in my power to make it happen, and I believe it turned out absolutely perfect and absolutely beautiful. She was so satisfied with the results. We had a great time celebrating her 7th birthday. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed looking back with me at some of the decorations that I've done throughout the year. Continue to watch for the new year as I bring brand new content to you for 2023.